Hello, my fellow Nigerians. Hear what Igboho said, the reason why they submitted the petition on Yoruba Nation to UK Prime Minister. Yoruba Nation activist Sunday Adeyemo, popularly known as Sunday Igboho, yesterday gave an insight into reasons for submitting a 25-page petition on the glamour for the Yoruba Nation to the Prime Minister of the United Kingdom, Keir Starmer, at 10 Downing Street, London. He said that the development was aimed at galvanizing more global support for the creation of the Yoruba Nation out of the present Nigerian state. Igboho, who submitted the petition on behalf of the leader of Ilana Omo-Oduwa, the umbrella body for the Yoruba Nation movement, Professor Banji Akintoye, according to a message forwarded to the Guardian yesterday, hinted that the glamour for Yoruba Nation remains on course and vary. He said that the Ilana Omo-Oduwa group and other critical stakeholders involved in the call for the creation of the Yoruba Nation would continue to employ all legitimate and peaceful measures to realize the agenda of the organization. According to Igboho, our mission to 10 Downing Street, London, office of the UK Prime Minister Keir Starmer was to seek the intervention of the UK government and its support for our agitation and glamour for the creation of a Yoruba Nation. He arrived at exactly 14 hours. Myself, Chief Sunday Igboho, delivered the petition to the UK Prime Minister on behalf of the leader of the Yoruba Nation movement, Professor Banji Akintoye, and others. Igboho, in a chat with the Guardian through WhatsApp, added, "The petition is about 25 pages. We have submitted it and we will continue to deploy legitimate and peaceful strategies to ensure the realization of the Yoruba Nation." My people, this is what we are saying. In a related development, our own too is saying of this bad government, the way the politicians are doing Nigerians. So this is what our own Aisha Yusuf said. In the recent days, the political climate in Nigeria has become increasingly contentious, especially with the rising hardships faced by citizens. A prominent voice in this discourse, human rights activist Aisha Yusuf, has claimed with Senator Ali Ndume over the current administration handling of economic challenges. Ndume, representing the Borno South North Senatorial District, has expressed concern regarding the harmful policies being pursued under President Bola Tinubu government, while Yusuf has taken a more direct stance, labeling Tinubu as a bad person. Senator Ndume recently criticized the administration for its inability to control inflation and stabilize the exchange rate. He pointed out that many Nigerians are suffering due to skyrocketing prices of essential goods, including fuel and food. The senator's statement reflects a growing frustration among citizens, particularly in regions like Borno, where many families struggle to meet basic needs. In his remarks, Ndume stated those who are bent on making the president look bad will stop at nothing in inflicting pain on Nigerians through the so-called reforms. He urged President Tinubu to take decisive actions to alleviate the burdens on the populace, emphasizing the need to address the rampant inflation that has worsened living conditions. He highlighted that frequent prices hikes and have made life unbearable for many, noting that transportation costs have risen dramatically, further exacerbating food prices. Yusuf's response to Ndume's comments was swift and unequivocal. She took to social media platform X to assert her view. Tinubu is the bad person. Call a spade and not a garden implement. A bad person is an understatement. I said Tinubu is the bad person. Her comments echo the sentiments of many who feel that the current administration is failing to address the root causes of Nigeria's economic woes. The conflict between Ndume and Yusuf illustrates a broader dissatisfaction with the government's economic policy and the perceived disconnect between political leaders and the struggles of ordinary Nigerians. The senator's acknowledgement of the hardship faced by families, particularly in Borno, highlights the gravity of the situation, as many citizens are unable to afford basic necessities. The frustration among the populace is palpable, by many calling for urgent reforms and accountability from those in power. You see, Yusuf's vocal criticism of Tinubu reflects a growing trend among activities and citizens who are demanding more transparency and responsiveness from their leaders. The situation is further complicated by the various political factions within the government, with some officials seemingly working at cross purposes. Ndume's assertion that some of Tinubu's advisers are leading him astray adds another layer of complexity to the issue, suggesting that internal conflicts may hinder effective governance. As the economic situation continues to deteriorate, the pressure on President Tinubu and his administration is mounting. The calls for change are becoming increasingly urgent as more Nigerians join the chorus demanding action against rising prices and economic stability. Activities like Yusuf are pivotal in this movement, using their platforms to hold leaders accountable and advocate for the rights and welfare of the people. You see, in conclusion, the dialogue between Senator Ndume and Yusuf Aisha underscores a critical moment in Nigerian politics, where the voice of citizens and activists are rising in response to the economic challenges facing the nation. As public frustration grows, it remains to be seen how the government will address these issues and whether it can regain the trust of the people it serves. The need for a responsive and responsible leadership is more urgent than ever. My people, this is what we are saying. Igboho, Yusuf, Aisha, and Ndume, they are in one opinion. In the comment section, you are free to comment, say your opinion, write, subscribe, share, love, and like. God bless Nigeria. Thanks and God bless. Amen.